Hello there, let's talk about this smart electric pump you can use to inflate the tires. Let's say, for example, your car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, or even custom mode. Here's the model, A301, and here you see more details. You can measure the pressure in the tires. There's an LCD display that's very easy to use. You can memorize the preset values. You can also use as a power bank and charge with the Type-C cable. It comes with the product. And also there's a 3-mode LED lighting, okay? So let's just put this box aside, and here you see the device. So it's very interesting and also very beautiful. Here's the size, is about the size of my hand, right? And here you have the LCD display, which is very, very interesting. You see the details here. Right now it's for car, for example, and then you can change here. When I press, it changes to motorcycle, and then a bicycle, ball, or even custom mode. And you can also see the units here. Let's say, for example, I want to change to a different unit. I just press here and hold, then goes to bar, and I do this again and goes to kPa, and I keep changing the units here the way that I want, and back here to PSI, and I can come and change the mode again to car. So I have 32, for example. Then if I go up, let's say I want to go to 35, I just keep pressing here, go to 35, and I'm ready to go. I just need to connect the air hose that I have here. So basically I just connect it that way, and I'm good to go. I can just connect here to the tire and press the button here to start inflating the tire. Very, very easy to use. It comes also with the other accessories here. So as you can see, there's this air hose, and there's the cable so you can charge. It's a regular cable, as you can see here. It's a USB-C to USB-A, so you can use a regular charger to charge the device. And also comes here with this accessories. Let's say, for example, you have a ball, you can use the ball needle, and also press the valve. If you have a different kind of valve there, you can use this one. So it comes with everything that you need. And also this bag, so you can put everything here inside and leave this bag in your car, okay? Which is pretty interesting, right? And here is the user manual. So let me just show a little bit of the user manual here, which I think is very interesting. You have all the details here, with the accessories that you have, and how you can use it, okay? So if you need the instructions, they are all here, step by step, and how to use it. So very interesting. And here, for example, if I turn it off, I just press and hold, it turns off. When I turn the device back on, you see they memorize the last value here. It's pretty interesting. You don't need to keep changing all the time, right? Here on the top, you see there's the connection for the air hose, an LED that flashes, that you can use for SOS, for example. And here's the connection for the USB cable, so you can charge it, and also the connection for the external. You can charge your mobile device, for example. When you press once here, you see the LED goes on. You press again, it starts flashing, and one more time, it starts flashing red like an SOS alert. Okay, so pretty easy to use. I'm gonna use this on my car, and you're gonna see how I can use it, right? Okay guys, so here I have the tire inflator. Right now it shows 35 psi. I'm gonna change here to 30 because the rear tire here uses 30. There we go. Then I just need to connect the air hose. That's the way. And here I connect to the tire, and I'm gonna check the pressure. There we go. As soon as I connect here, I can see the pressure is 27, and it's going to inflate with 30. So I just press here to start inflating. There we go. Reaches 30, and it's ready. Okay, so I just press here, turn it off, and remove it from here. Now I'm good. I just need to disconnect the air hose. Just need to be careful because it's hot here, and I can just put it back here on this small bag. So pretty easy, like this. You can also put the holes here. There we go. And I'm okay to go. So there you go. This is the tire inflator that I use in my car. It's very easy to use. I like this one and I recommend it.